Hello everyone, I'm Yelena McGriff and I am here to teach you about budgeting. If you have Excel, what you would want to do is you would like to go into Excel and start um, a new document. That way you can over there learn how to uh, make you a budget. Basically, the first thing we want to do, we want to look at an old one. Let's look at an old one. You're like, oh my goodness, what's this? Well, basically, you want to have this line right here first. The first line, we'll just copy that. You want to, but so I can show you what to do. The first thing we want to do is, what you want to do is, you want to put name of bill. This. Don't worry about that other stuff. I just went ahead and did that. So anyway, the first one you want to put name of bill. And then the next one, you want to put the usual monthly amount. Like for example, almost every month my DP&L is $150. So in this one, the next one, on the third one, let me take that color out so you can see. I put yearly amount. So for example, if I put DP&L right here, it's usually about $150 a month. My yearly amount would be this amount times 12 because there's 12 months in the year. So we'll do an equal sign. Click this one, or you can just write 150 times 12. So if I pay $150 every month for DP&L, that means that 12 months worth of DP&L is $1,800. What I do is, it might be a little bit more or a little under, but I always try to make an amount that's higher. Like if it's normally about 135, put 140, 150. You don't want to put an amount that it might come being less. So I put 150, and every month when I get the bill, I send 150. I put myself on budget billing. Even in the summer months, like if we were doing Vectren. Vectren is my gas for my heat. Yeah. Normally in the warmer months, my Vectren is like $35-$40, but I know in the winter months it's like $150. So what I do is I just put $150 because that's the highest. The best thing to do is put the highest amount that you've paid for a year. Like I know mine's normally get up to $150 in the winter time, so I just put $150 the whole year, and I pay $150 the whole year. And I basically put myself on my own budget billing. So what happens is, in the warm months, yeah, it's only $40 and you're sending $150. But the thing about it is the extra, the overage is building up. So by the time you get to the winter months, you're paying $150. But if you like me, who like to keep changing your heat to 90, 100, because I'm always cold, sometimes my bill get up to $300, and I know it's horrible, but I don't have to worry about it because all those months that it was warm and the bill was only $40, the overage that was there covers it. So I don't have to worry about moving the heat thing, the thermometer, or whatever you want to call it. I don't have to worry about, oh, I can't move it because it's going to make my bill too high, because I already got extra money at Vectren that's going to cover it. And it makes my life a whole lot easier. Now let me show you a trick if you don't know about Excel. Since we have this formula right here, you can just pull that down and then go over to fill down, unless you want to go and put the formula in all the time. So whenever I put a number over here, it's going to times it times 12. Like for example, my car payment, we'll just put car payment right here. Sorry if I'm messing up with the camera. Car payment. My car payment is normally $342. I just say $343 because it's $342 something something, but I like to work in whole dollars, and those extra cents add up in your bank account. So anyway, you know, well, not in this situation, but I'm just saying like $342 something something. So we'll just put $343. Okay, you see what happened? It automatically, because we filled that down, that means make the whole thing come down, to follow suit, basically, to copy. So my car payment is $343, and yearly basically is $4,116. Okay, so next what I do, I put all of these basically are my paydays in 2022. To do it the easy way, if you could do like this. Put your first day, the first payday of the year. Let me get closer. Right here. Right? And then you can go to this one because your box is empty. So let me delete it. Wait a minute. Hold on. I got so many computers. Things are in different spots on every keyboard. So okay. Earlier I was on my laptop and the delete button is not in the same spot. But anyway, so an easy way for you to do it is you can do equal. Equal is when you're about to do a formula. Okay? You could do equal this box plus 1. Nope, not 1. You want 14 days because every 2 weeks is 14 days. So we'll do 14 days. You see what happened? If you do that, and then you don't have to do it all the way across like that. You could just do fill. Fill. And what you're saying is that you wanted to put the next following paydays. So I just feel right. And well, of course, well, let me erase some of this for you so you can see. We are gonna grab this one and drag it and then fill right. Ta-da! I wanted you to see it pop in. Okay. What we are creating is your budget. This is Excel in Microsoft. If you got the generic version, whatever, spreadsheets, whatever. You can even do this on your cell phone. You can download Microsoft Office. So I'm not going to make these too long. I'm only going to make them 10 minutes long. We're at 8:52 right now because I don't want them to be too long. So you'll see, well, maybe I'll do them 15 minutes or something. Anyway, I don't want them to be too long for you. So today, basically, we learned that you need to put these right here, these labels, and then you want to put your dates of every payday you have this year. You want to list all of your bills. I even list stuff like I know that I need to put gas in my car. I need to put gas in my car every 2 weeks. So I just say $50 a month for gas. So I spend in all $600 in gas for the year. But see, this is what we're going to do. And I'll show you that in the next episode. I'll show you about how to total it. Thank you for listening. This is Yelenia, and this is Budget 101.